Next one, part 3. So this one here is, this is interesting. So it says Tara's calculating this thing here, and it says with reference to the investment, explain what Tara is calculating. And really, I'm looking at this is actually exactly what we've just done here. We've got 2,000 times something at a certain date, and 2,000 times something at a certain date 3 years earlier. So this is the 18th. This is the 18th plus 3 years later. And all it is saying, well, what's the difference between the two? So really, this is actually precisely the same, except rather than using 18 and 18 plus 3, which is really what this is saying, this is saying this has got m plus n. This could be 18. This one could be 18 plus 3. But let's have a look. I'll show you what I mean. So let's expand this. That's really what this is we're having to do here. So you've got 2,000. So I'm going to rewrite this out. This is I've got 2,000. I'll restate this problem times 1.035m times 1.035n minus 1 is actually equal to, and this is now going to be a long thing here, it's going to be 2,000 times 1.035m. I'm going to multiply it by this thing here, times that, which is 1.035n. And then we're doing the same thing again, but this time it's a minus. Minus, there it is, 1. One lot of this thing here, which is 2,000 times 1.03. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, that's great. 1.35n. Oh, sorry, you couldn't see that. So in other words, it's this thing here times that minus all of this times -1, which is negative that. So that's really all that is. It's just this bit here is this bit expanded out. But of course, we've got the same base here, and we can add the powers. So that's equal to 2,000. And you'll see what I mean by this being the same as this thing here, more or less, but we're using it in terms of n and m and n, rather than numerals. So 1.035, this is going to be m plus n. M plus n, they're the indices, minus 2,000 times 1.035n. So this is like 18th birthday. This is like 18th and 3 years later, which is 21. So it's the same thing. So what it's doing is it's looking at the difference between what it was when it was just n years and then what it was m years later. So I'm going to put here, so expression shows the difference between investment at m years, at n years, and the investment after another m years. And that's what it's doing. So the expression shows the difference between the investment at n years and then the investment value after another m years. The investment at 18 years and then the investment after another 3 years at 21 years. And that's what that's showing. Hopefully that makes sense.